Welcome to Lux Auto X, where we dive into the wildest corners of automotive creativity. Today, we're taking you inside the world of twisted special projects, where engineering excellence meets unfiltered imagination. These aren't just vehicles, they're statements. Machines born from obsession and refined with unmatched craftsmanship. Twisted's special projects aren't built to meet expectations, they exist to shatter them. Every creation is a showcase of what happens when decades of off-road expertise collide with limitless vision. From unique powertrains to boundary-breaking design, each project is a one-of-a-kind expression of what's possible when rules are optional. And that brings us to the TBug. This isn't your average Beetle. It's a Baja legend, re-engineered from the ground up. Twisted took the spirit of the original Baja Bug, raw, rebellious, totally cool, and rebuilt it through the lens of precision engineering. It all starts with a classic air-cooled Beetle, from the 60s to the 80s. Twisted strips it back to its core and builds it up from scratch, but this isn't about nostalgia. It's about rediscovering childhood dreams, like those RC monster Beetles in endless Californian summers, and bringing them roaring to life. The TBug is tough, simple, and stunningly capable. Long travel suspension lets it soak up rough terrain, while power output is doubled, not to chase top speeds but to deliver heart-pounding connection between you, the machine, and the world beneath your tires. Upgraded brakes, rugged BF Goodrich tires, LED lighting, and a sealed chassis make it ready for anything. And inside? It's all hand-finished comfort with just the right balance of retro charm and modern feel. No two TBugs are alike. These aren't restorations. They're fully custom, built-to-order machines. You choose the details: color, trim, options, and vision. Twisted makes it real, collaborating with top-tier partners to deliver something that feels as personal as it does powerful. For Charles Fawcett, the founder of Twisted, the TBug is more than a project. It's a piece of childhood brought to life. What once lived on a poster is now tearing across beaches and trails, and maybe into your garage or even onto your yacht. So if you're into vehicles that break the mold, if you're all about passion-driven engineering and design that turns heads, hit that subscribe button and join the journey here on Lux Auto X. We've got more insane builds, behind-the-scenes looks, and automotive stories you won't want to miss. This is just the beginning.